guys, we're here. We're at the Sheraton in Niagara Falls for the signing. Oop, where am I? I can never do this right. There, does that look better? I wanted to show you around our room, so here we go. Front door. It's a nice room, like very nice room. I haven't really finished unpacking. It's quite large. There's some of my stuff. My books are arriving today or tomorrow. Here's the bathroom. Very nice. And it is quite large. We've got a fireplace. Look at this. A couch. Chair. Wow. And we're right on Clifton. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I can see the American Falls there. And over there, somewhere, is the Canadian Falls. And over here is Clifton. Road Heights? What is it? Clifton Hill? Anyway. Well, I hope you guys are ready for this fun adventure. I'm going to take you along with me through these couple days of signing here in Niagara Falls. And, see what we get up to and where we go. Right now, we're going to the spa. You wouldn't believe me if I told you how beautiful this place is. Sheraton Fallsview Spa in the Sheraton Hotel. Have a look. Definitely spoiled. This is the view from the waiting area. Absolutely stunning. This is heaven. What a stunning, stunning spa. I'm here to get my manicure and pedicure, but wow. They have massages, they have all kinds of things. It's beautiful. They have juices, water, everything. It's really nice. Here, let me show you the menu of services that they offer here. I'm sure you can look it up online, but here it is. If you guys can take a quick pause the video and take a look. There we are. Yeah, definitely pause the video if you'd like more information. Oh, absolutely stunning. Okay, so who could say no to not capping off this experience with a glass of bubbly? Seriously. God. Feels like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. Not an every week kind of thing. Okay, loves. You will not believe where I'm sitting, but and I'm having my toesies done. Already had my hands done. My nails, aren't they beautiful? And you get this view. Oh, and have a wonderful lady who's taking care of me. Oh. Now this is heaven. And pretty much once in a lifetime, but we're good with that.